How to make a successful Wix website. Number 1, identify your website's goals. What kind of website are you going to make? Why are you creating this website? What do you hope to achieve by creating this website? All of these questions may be simple, but having a clear answer to each one of them is essential since they will be the foundation of your website and will also help you in setting you up in the right direction. Number 2, of course, sign up with Wix. Once you've figured out what kind of website you'd like to make, then you can start creating it. Go to wix.com and sign up. Click on Get Started, and then choose a method of how you'd like to sign up. You can enter your email address, or you can connect to your Google or Facebook account. Once you're done signing up, you'll be able to see this on your screen. Basically, Wix is asking you whether you'd like to use their AI assistant in creating your website. And if you do want that option, you can click on Start Chat. If you click on Start Chat, basically Wix's AI assistant will chat with you, asking you about details of how you'd like your website to look like, and all those important details to set up your website. If you think you've given enough information, then you can click on End Chat and Continue, and it will redirect you to your dashboard. But if you'd like to set up by using or like choosing from Wix's different templates instead, click on Setup without chat. So what type of website do you want to create? Of course, if you've already had the answer to your questions in number 1, then that means you already know what you're going to create. So click on, type type down whatever kind of website you'd like to create and click on Continue. So now Wix is preparing our dashboard. All right, now we're ready for step number 3, and that is to edit your Wix website. By the way, once you're directed to your dashboard, this pop-up will automatically appear. So basically, Wix is just going to ask you about information about your website, so just answer the questions that it'll ask you. In this case, what would you like to call your website? I'm just going to name it something like this. So this will be used to customize your online experience. Continue. So choose the apps you'd like to add. So this is where you can choose the apps you'd like to be integrated into your Wix website. So if you scroll down, you'll be able to see a lot more options. Once you're ready, you can click on Continue and continue to Dashboard. But sometimes Wix will ask you if you'd like to continue with AI and then continue with template again. Sometimes Wix does it differently, but basically it's just going to ask you questions and you're just going to have to answer them. So in here, we're going to click on Design Site. And this is what I was talking about. How would you like to design your website? If you chose the AI option earlier, then this is what you want to click on. But since we chose a template earlier, then we're just going to pick a template. So here we are. Let's choose a template over here. That's nice. I'm just going to select something that I like. Okay, let's have this one. So I'm going to hover over it and click on Edit. And we will be redirected to Wix's editor with that specific template. And this is it. Okay, So by the way, this will also automatically appear. Basically, this is just Wix letting you know that they have a writing assistant to help you in case you need help when it comes to creating your text pages. I'm just gonna exit this since I don't really need that for today's video. And if you'd like to edit your website, you can quickly do so by clicking on a specific section and clicking on this quick edit button, or usually it looks like a pencil button too. If you click on it, this side panel on the right will appear. This is where you can change all of its content. If you like, you can also edit individual elements. So say, for example, this text, if you click on it, tools will appear. So for the edit text, you can edit the text's appearance by editing its font style, font size, adding effects, adjusting character spacing or line spacing, turning it into a vertical text if that's what you want, and you can also set it up with SEO and accessibility. You can do the same thing for all the other elements over here, even for this picture. So depending on the type of element you click on, the type of tools that'll appear above or below it will also vary. Basically, you just have to play around with them according to your site's preferences and how you'd like your site to look like. Over here on the sidebar as well, you can find very useful tools. So add elements, the very first button that looks like a plus button is what you want to click on if you'd like to add specific single elements to your web page, to your site. If you'd like to add entire sections, then go to the second button, and that is the Add Section button. Here you can find different sections to choose from. And if you like a specific element or a specific section, just click and drag it onto your website and it'll automatically be added. Just like that. Or if you want to delete a specific section or a specific element, click on it and hit delete on your keyboard. And I'm not sure why that image is always following me. Now, let's talk about pages and menu. This is also quite important because this is where you can access all of the web page within your website. So of course, if you're going to design your home page, don't forget to design your other pages as well. Next, we have the site design, and this is where you can change your site's theme, color theme, text theme, page background, and add page transitions. For the Wix app market, basically this is like the App Store or the Play Store of Wix. This is where you want to go in case there is a specific app that you'd like to install or integrate onto your Wix website. So look for it on the search bar, for example, pop-up. And some pop-up apps will appear over here. Choose one that you like and then click on Add to Site. Next, we have My Business. This is a very essential tool because depending on what kind of website you're creating, you'll find all of its processes and main functions over here on the My Business button. So in this case, we have the Wix portfolio. This is where you can add new projects, manage collections, manage pages, add features, collections, gallery. And this is also where you'll be able to find the apps that you've installed from your Wix app market. If you decided to create a blog, this is where you can manage all of the processes that are required to be done within your blog. If you created a Wix store, this is also where you can manage all of your store's processes. So yeah, don't forget that. You can do those things in the My Business button. Next, we have the media. So this is where you upload your media from your PC to Wix, this is also where you can connect your socials to Wix so that you can just directly import them from your socials onto Wix. And if you don't have your own images, no worries. Wix has a library of images and videos that are free for you to use. Then we have CMS. So easily manage your site content, set up content collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and collect info from site visitors. In case this is something you need on your website, then click on Add to Site. And finally, we have the AI tools. AI tools that'll help you complete and launch your site faster. So just like as I said before, Wix has an AI that'll help you write your page content. And apart from creating text, Wix also has an AI that'll help you create a ready-to-use section with text and images for any page on your site. And that it's its AI section generator. Once you're done making all of those changes and editing your website, make sure to click on Save. And if you're ready to publish your site, click on Publish. Let's talk about step number 4. So that is to start offering quality content, quality products, and quality services. If you're creating a blog, create well-written content that'll help your readers hooked up and wanting for more to read. If you're creating a Wix store, make sure to provide quality products. Same goes for freelancing. If you're creating a freelancer website, make sure to offer excellent services. Basically, no matter what kind of website you're trying to create, make sure that what you provide is worth it. Number 5, optimize your website for search engines. If you want to make your website successful, then you have to make sure you get lots of visits and traffic. That's where SEO or search engine optimization comes in. But what is SEO? Well, it's basically setting up your website in a way that'll help it rank higher in search results. Because obviously, if you Google or search for something on the internet, you'd usually click on the very first links that'll appear. You rarely go to the second page of the search results. So if you want to rank higher, optimize your site as well as your content. That includes creating quality content, offering quality products and services, using the right tags and keywords, etc. And finally, number 6, promote through social media. And another way to increase your traffic is to promote yourself. Luckily, social media is accessible to almost everyone. Therefore, reaching potential customers or clients, audiences, has never been easier. So utilize social media and create promotional campaigns to make your website known. And that's it for today. We hope you found today's video of help somehow. If you need more Wix tutorial videos, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.